We're going to unbox the Kittyhawk. This is a good version because it's got the Australian decals. I'm in the Air Force, or was in the Air Force, so it'd be nice to build one. Right, yeah, let's open her up. Haven't been this one yet. Well, I'll go around the box, just have a look at all the writing. Oh yeah, how to set the stickers out. Nice. Alright, decals, or decals. Bit of everything there. I love the shark teeth. Very nice. Instructions, these are big. I love Tamiya instructions the most, but that's just me. Oh, look at that. I love all the colours. Look at all the colours here. I'm just going to close these window blinds. There we are. We see that a bit better. Look at that. That's beautiful. That really helps with, you know, setting out your plane and painting it. I love that. It's all in colour too, which just makes it so much easier. And not many pieces, which is nice. I'm just getting back into building. It's very good. Look at that. Alright, let's have a look at the pieces. We've got one bag, two bags. Open them up. Oops. I like to do a little bit neater, but it's okay. Look at this. Quite nicely done. Some nice texture. I think once you wash these wings, the lines will come up quite nicely. Can you see those lines? Quite good. Same with the fuselage. It's quite nice. There we go. I think next time I do an unboxing, I'll open these plastic bags before I do it. Make it a lot easier. There we go. I might have to build this next. Look how beautiful this is. It'll be what, 132? Let me have a look what size it is. 148. That's a nice size plane. Look at that. Some nice bombs. Yeah, it's all really nice. I mean, it's come up really nicely too. Must be new molds. Really good. Alright, that's it. So that was the P40 Kittyhawk. And I'm going to do it up with the Australian decals. Fantastic. Have a good day.